Shares of News Corp, Allstate, and VF Corp are all up this week after activist investors announced stakes in those companies. Elsewhere, shares of genetic testing company Illumina are lower today after activist Carl Icahn sued the board for breaching their fiduciary duties. Investor activism is at an all-time high, according to S&P Capital. 850 campaigns were launched just in the first half of this year before the latest flurry. By comparison, the total number of campaigns last year was just 1,000. So what's driving this? What does it mean for investors? Let's ask my next guest, Ken Squire. He's the founder and CIO of the 13D Activist Fund and just hosted a summit on this topic yesterday. He is also a CNBC contributor. Ken, welcome. Busy times. What's driving it?
It is, Kelly. Thanks for having me. Well, first of all, the 3/4 of public companies have direct nomination windows between December and February. So now's the time you'll start seeing activists starting campaigns. Our conference is somewhat seen as the kickoff to the activist season. We had more than a dozen new investment ideas yesterday alone, and we turned away people that we just couldn't accommodate because of time. So I do expect to see a lot more activism.
Why?
Why? Well, first of all, it's been a successful strategy. I think in high interest rates environments where management teams cannot finance their way out of bad business plans through stock buybacks and such, it's a lot easier to get activism done. When markets are down, it's easier to spot bad management and also to get other shareholder support.
That's interesting. So actually you're saying the lack of kind of buybacks and financial engineering is making companies have to get more creative and giving activists a window of opportunity?
Absolutely.
Just expand on that then. Who else could be targets across the board here in terms of size, or what are you watching? What did you hear at the conference yesterday?
Well, size doesn't matter anymore. It used to in activism 15 years ago, you couldn't go on a mega cap company like a Disney and get anything done. Now you can, because activists are being more accepted. They're getting support from the large shareholders when they have a good plan, and any company that really is underperforming for quarters, from several quarters or years, it could potentially be a target of any market cap.
Wow. So then, would you think this is all good for investors? Because when you think, okay, financial engineering, buybacks, there have been people who argue that's, positive depending on the price, and others who argue that it's not so much. Same with deal making. A lot of these deals, people say they've been value destructive over time, and it's all just, overly creative investment bankers looking for fees. So is this all investor friendly? Are these moves and shakeups that need to be made?
Well, let me say one thing clearly. Share buybacks is not a strategy on its own. When a company just buys back shares without a plan to create value or an operational plan, that's not a good strategy. When activist comes in or a good activist comes in and suggests share buybacks, it's generally as part of a bigger plan where they feel that they can create shareholder value over the next couple of years, operationally, strategically, and they figure if they have excess cash on the balance sheet, they'll buy back shares ahead of that value creation at a lower price. So that's how we look at share buybacks, and that's what the activists will get as part of their plan.
I just want to mention a couple of stocks here. You said the 3 top ideas you heard yesterday were Fortrea, Concentrix, and Frontier. Is that right?
Yes. Fortrea is a global contract research organization. They have 13% EBITDA margins versus their peers at 18%. This is a growing industry. They have a great CEO who has a track record of improving margins and creating shareholder value. And Starboard sees this as a $47 to $72 stock if they can get their margins and multiples to where their peers are.
And Frontier, obviously one of the biggest players in the communication space. That stock down sharply as well, one to watch. Ken, we'll leave it there. If that works, and we'll check back in soon, as it sounds like you guys are going to be busy.
Yep. Thanks for talking to me.
All right. Ken Squire from 13D.